make that stuff on my quad. Wub, 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 wub. Ah, what a beautiful time of year it is. I'm just kidding, it's still 30 degrees out. I'm finally starting to get them a little bit. Oh, what's going on, guys? Just coming back at you with another MotoVlog on my four-wheeled friend. So yeah, guys, first big announcement is that the next time you see a video by me, it will be with much better audio, and the camera will possibly, actually, I shouldn't even say possibly, it's going to be on the left side, basically. Right now I have it off to the right of the helmet, and very soon it will be off to the left. It'll be pretty much the same angle, just reversed. I don't know if that makes sense, but you'll see. Wow, guys, that boulder is still going strong. That thing's never gonna melt. It looks like it's just a big ice ball now. I love it when the weather is so screwed up that it does things like this, where it snows and then it rains, because I'll show you what happens. Stuff like this. Let's see if it works up here. Yeah. Do you see that? I can literally, I fell in. Now I'm starting to fall in a little bit. But see, you can actually walk on some of the snow. I have some audio upgrades in the process. So, yeah, guys, I'll let you guess. I'm going to give you a hint. It's a new mic. So, yeah, I'm actually really excited for that. I cannot wait. So, yeah, guys, I'm super excited for the new audio thing. And we're going to go up here. We're going to see if I can get up this trail. Since, you know, it is a quad. I actually hate being on the street, not going to lie. So, we're going to see what happens. I'm going to keep it in first gear. And, let's go. Okay. I think we're good. I think we are... Oh, that's really tall in the middle. And then up there, it's way too intense as far as snow is concerned right now for me to even attempt to go up there. Guys, do you see this? My tire is above the snow. I hate cold. LOL at the fact that you can actually see the lines that my rear arm swing arm made from going through the high median snow. It's a puppy. Hey, puppy. He's a nice dog. I see him sometimes. Ah, the bar. Oh, if that dude crashes that Mustang because he leaves destroyed, I'm gonna be so upset. Oh, he already did. This is me pretending to have a blinker. Whee! It's more puppies! Hi, puppy! Hi, puppy! Puppies everywhere! Hey, look, it's that slammed forward thing again! Ha! Weird. Woo! Ah! Probably should have put the clutch in. Fuck! Oh, it's beginning to look a lot like two-wheel drive weather. Everywhere you look. I wonder where this leads to. Ooh, it's a creepy shack. Looks like Eminem's old house. Oh, there's the guy up there. Uh-oh. He's not going to be too happy with me. I just almost stalled. Ooh, this is a great wheelie spot. Wow. Alright, yo, let's try one. Alright, we're gonna go for a second or third gear wheelie. I think a second sounds really good. Not too shabby. So yeah, guys, I think my wheelies are getting there. I only had this thing a month and a half, maybe? Not even, probably about a month. And, look at the view, though. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's like a BXD video. You get to see the whole mountain area. But, anyway, yeah, I think my wheelies are starting to get there. Dead ass. Ew, just kidding. She was nasty. And, ooh, a Jeep. So yeah, we're getting there. There's the puppies again. Should I yell at them? Should I? Hi, buddy. Excuse me, coming through. Downshift. I put in neutral. Haven't done that in a while, guys. Hey, I can make that stuff on my quad. Wub, 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 wub. Oh shit, they're actually doing construction today. Fuck, I can't go down here. Well, that's no good. Uh-oh. Alright, I'm leaving. I'm going. Okay, well, that guy is not in the mood. He doesn't look too happy. Let's get out of here. He's not going to be in a good mood for the next couple hours.
Commencing speed run.
Man, all I was trying to do was just go ride some trails. I mean, I wasn't going to bother that guy. I understand, he's just trying to do his job. So many people out today, this isn't even safe. I can't wait till the trails thaw, like, God. Sick of riding on this asphalt. It's bullshit. Alright, well, since I possibly pissed off everyone, and probably got the cops called on me, let's just do one more wheelie. I thought I was going to the pole there. That was shit. Hold on, let me go find that better spot again. Clutchless shifting on the wave. Shit. That was a good one. There we go. Alright guys, let's hope for the best. Oh, we need to do at least one more try at that. That was so bad. Damn! That's better. Oh boy, what did I choose this way? Oh, it's all icy. And wet. That's what she said. Well, you know, the second part, not the first part. Shit! Alright guys, I just stopped. That's about it for today. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. If you're already subscribed, just hang in there. Next time I talk to you guys, a beautiful delivery man should be delivering a beautiful microphone that I will be adding, and we will change perspectives. So yeah guys, that's about it. And, you know, JellyForSale coming at you again, and, take care guys. Have a great day. I think this video is missing something.
Hold up. Smoke weed every day.
I'm just kidding, guys. Don't smoke weed. That's bad and really expensive.